seguridad. Brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la balsa. Y cuiden a sus niños. Oh, y no olviden, no alimenten a los osos.
I know, is this waterproof?
Yes.
Why, hello, rafters. For a safe ride, be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft.
Spinning. I don't think I've ever gone this thing at night.
It's so sad. He's practically covered at this point. The bear.
But yeah, it's a 20-year-old ride.
The savagery from you.
It's a 20-year-old ride.
You can hear the lift. Classic noises.
Hey,
Here we go.
I'm not ready.
I don't remember how this. Oh, that's messed up.
There's dips.
That's savagery. Oh, jeez Louise. Thank goodness I brought two extra outfits.
Putting my foot on this thing now.
Oh my god.
Night ride. Look at, there's leaking water. Ah!
That was abusive. Abusive. This ride is taking a leak on me, and the water's cold.
That's probably not recycled water.
Excuse me. Why is it on my end? Excuse. Yes. No. Oh, gently. Gentle. Gentle. Okay.
Gentle, no, it goes crazy after the corner there. Oh, look at that's cool.
The bear. Oh wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh wow, we're getting wet now.
Shit.
Ah, there was some.
But the bear. The bear.
Sorry for touching you. It's okay, it's okay.
I'm old.
Okay, the water's not that bad. Oh, yeah.
I got some.
Oh, I got some
Oh,
too.
here comes one of those drops.
Look at it.
Is it gonna drop up like me backwards? No. I refuse to be going backwards. No.
I'm scared.
No.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Yeah!
It's spinning, man. Oh, God.
I don't even remember this one either.
Ah, my feet. Yes, there it is. There it is. I got the feet. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Oh, this one is serious. This one's making sure you. Oh no. Oh, that's our future.
Oh no! Oh no!
At least we're not backed up.
Oh man! I know, but caught them.
Why didn't you have the thing on?
Because I forgot.
Man, this thing spins on time.
Yeah.
I can't believe we spun as we went down.
Oh my gosh,
like,
that's crazy.
No. None of that. Here comes the big one. Let's go with it. No, you're not worried about it. Yeah. No,
Oh, I'm cold too.
okay, that was